Chef John here. I'm going to show you how to make New England spaghetti. A lot of people may not have already heard of New England spaghetti, but I'll show you how to make it. It's been a favorite of mine and my family, the kids, they love it growing up and everything. You can use different complementary additions to it, like beets, muffins, cornbread muffins. They love cornbread muffins with it. But your main ingredients, of course, is spaghetti. Now, this is a pound of spaghetti, but I only use a half a pound because it's only me. So I divided it in half here, and you want to cook it. You can use as much as you want, but the ingredients are proportional. You use a pound of spaghetti, you use a whole stick of butter. You use a whole pound of Velveeta cheese. I buy the packaged cheese because they're already sliced. You can buy the box of Velveeta cheese, but buy the original, okay? So, a package contains 24 slices. I only use 12 because half a pound. I'm only going to use a half a pound. Use some black pepper with it, and then you add milk to it and you put it in the oven to bake it. So when you first start, you should use a pan with a metal handle so that when you bake it, your handle don't boil away. But I'm going to cook the spaghetti and put it in this pan to put it in the oven to cook. And you want to cook at 350 degrees, okay? And stir the spaghetti every 15 minutes, okay? So now we're going to cook the spaghetti. Okay, brought the water to a boil. And like I said, I'm only using a half a pound. You can choose your way to do it. I like to leave it whole. Got the right consistency, you gotta test it. You don't want to overcook it. Come on! Just one. That's right. Now here's where the magic begins. You take a little scoop of spaghetti, put it in the bottom there, throw in some slices of butter, put a cheese or two, some pepper. This is all you have to do. A little bit of pepper. Take some more spaghetti. Spread it around. Throw in some more butter. Whoop. Don't let it drain over the side because that away. A little bit of pepper. Just a little bit, a little touch. Spread it around. That's all you have to do. And then you fill it up with milk. Put it right in the oven. Hey Google, set timer for 15 minutes.
Got it. 15 minutes. And
She's in there cooking. Just starting to get melted. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Make sure you put on a glove. You got your stir stick. And now you stir it a little bit, if you can. You should use a bigger pot.
With Xiaflex, the only FDA-approved non-surgical treatment for tooth contraction when a cord can be found. After Xiaflex, I was able to get back.
Just like this.
I'm not surprised. All right, give the wheel a big. Is brought to you by InnoVeg, helping seniors live independently.
Alright, time to rotate again.
they inspire us. They lift us up. This March, we celebrate their stories.
Take a look at that. Starting to look pretty creamy. Wow. Want all that cheese melted in there. It's really looking good.
Right. Oh, yeah, because even earlier this afternoon, it was just like what we experienced over the weekend. We had
Okay, I think that's probably done.
all of a sudden we had that strong wind.
So I'll just put it up here.
Where you can see the higher elevation very clearly with the snowfall. Rain showers have been more of the story for the Denver area.
Don't forget to turn off the oven.
Start out by the airport, getting a little bit of a wintry mix. And then let's talk about where that freezing line is. Spots like Boulder, even Golden, King Carroll. At this point, most of
Oh,
this is
yeah.
rainfall. But then,
See how creamy?
adding a little elevation. We have Evergreen, Idaho Springs, out towards Silver Plume.
That's how it's supposed to look.
A little bit more of that light to moderate snow. Looking north and east of the airport, even spots like Fort Morgan into Raymore. There happened earlier in the afternoon, been a few thunderstorms.
Now that's-
It's just been rainfall.
That's New England spaghetti.
Building a little bit better.
Keep stirring it till all the cheese is melted together, and you will enjoy it. Just like I'm going to do right now.
Weekdays at noon on Colorado's CW2.
Growing up like we do, life isn't obstacle free.
Get this glimpse into another world.
I'll tell you what, that is perfect. I forgot to mention that if you have that much, which I'll never do a half a pound again if there's just me. That's a lot. Look how much more is in there. That's still a pot, and I've had my bowl. Wow. Never do that again. But half a pound, that'll serve 4 people or more, half a dozen. But the proportions are like I mentioned: pound of spaghetti, a stick of butter, pound of Velveeta, but make sure it's Velveeta because if it's not, it doesn't taste the same. And then pepper and milk. And then do in the oven just like I showed you. It'll come out perfect. You can add more pepper if you want. You can add, make some corn muffins. We used to eat it when we were kids. When I was growing up, my mother would serve a can of pickled beets with it. And that was good with New England spaghetti. So use your own imagination. It's really a good meal. It really is. Kids loved it. They still do. Okay, bye, and thanks for watching.